students, how are you? I hope you all are fit and fine. So dear students, as we have finished the syllabus and revision is going on. So in this series of revision, today we are going to revise chapter 1, Triumph of Surgery in your Footprints Without Feet supplementary reader book. Okay, written by James Herriot. So before starting the story, let us discuss the story in short. So as you already know, we have gone through this chapter, line by line explanation has been done already. So we have seen, dear students, this story is about a dog whose name is Tricky, and Tricky is pampered by his mistress, Mrs. Pumphrey. Mrs. Pumphrey loved Tricky too much. So because of that, Tricky falls ill, and narrator himself, veterinary surgeon, so he decided to hospitalize Tricky, and he did not do any treatment, any medicinal treatment, just he reduced the food of Tricky and Tricky's condition improved. So this is all about the story, as we have already gone through. This is very interesting story. So once again today in this video I will explain line by line. Okay, so before moving ahead, let us write some difficult words and their meanings from page number 1. Okay, so I hope you all have taken out your book and you all have opened this chapter. So let us begin. So let us write some difficult words and their meanings from this chapter from page number 1. So surgery, as we all know, this is the treatment of injury. Okay, dear students, surgery, we all know this is treatment of injuries. Okay, next word is blotted sauces. Blotted sauces means swollen meat. Swollen meat. Blotted sauces means swollen meat. Rheumy means a type of disease, a cold type of disease. Rheumy, disease in which, you know, water comes from nose. Water comes from nose, or you know, eye or eyes. Okay, it's a type of disease in which water comes from nose or eyes. Okay, next one, lolled. Lolled means hung loosely. Lolled means hung loosely. Okay, you can either you can pause the video and write down these words and their meanings, or you can take the screenshot. Now I am going to rub it. I hope you have written it down. Sorry. Hastened. Next word is hasten. Hasten means, hurry up, Listless. Listless means lifeless. Okay. Malt. Malt means milk shake. Appealing means attractive. Appealing means attractive. Listless means unenergetic, we have discussed. Lifeless. Malnutrition means lack of proper nutrition, we all know. Sorry. Malnutrition means lack of proper nutrition. Okay. So it is A. Relent means give in or change one's mind. Relent means give in or change one's mind. Okay, so I hope you have written it. You can pause the video and write down, or you can also take the screenshot. Now I am going to rub it. Next word is lumbago. Sorry, it is U. Lumbago means muscular pain. Muscular pain. Lumbago means muscular pain. Next word is cut liver oil. Cut liver oil. Cut liver oil means it's a oil which is obtained by pressing the liver of cod. It's a kind of fish, okay, which is rich in vitamin A and D. Okay. Cod means a large marine fish. Okay, dear students, so you can take the screenshot or you can pause the video and write down. Now we have done all the difficult words and their meanings from this page. Let us go through the paragraphs, let us go through the story, and I hope you all will enjoy this story. Already we have gone through, so you all must have enjoyed the story, but those who have missed, they will enjoy this time. Let us begin. So open your book at page number 1 if you haven't done it as of now. A triumph of surgery. It is a triumph of surgery. Sorry, let me write down the title properly. A triumph of surgery. Written by James Herriot. Tricky, a small dog, is pampered and overfed by his rich mistress. In this story, dear students, which we are going to read, it is about a dog whose name is Tricky. Tricky is pampered. Pampered means loved very much. In this story, Tricky is loved very much by his rich mistress, Mrs. Pumphrey. He falls seriously ill and by his mistress consults a veterinary surgeon. So Tricky falls seriously ill and Tricky's mistress, Mrs. Pumphrey, she consults a surgeon. Does he perform an operation? Does surgeon perform an operation? Does the dog recover? So let us go through the story and try to find out answer to these questions. So before moving ahead, let us go through 3 more questions, answers to which we will try to find out in this story. Why is Mrs. Pumphrey worried about Tricky? What does she do to help him? Is she wise in this? What does I refer to in this story? I was really worried about Tricky this time. I had pulled up my car when I saw him in the street with his mistress, and I was shocked at his appearance. So the narrator in the beginning, the narrator James Herriot, tells us that he was really worried about Tricky, and when he saw Tricky, with Mrs. Pumphrey, he stopped his car. Pulled out means stopped. He stopped his car and he was shocked to see Tricky's appearance. He had become hugely fat because Tricky had become hugely fat, like a bloated sausage, like a swollen meat, with a leg at each corner. His eyes bloodshot and rheumy. Tricky's eyes became as red as blood. Rheumy, they became watery. Water was coming from Tricky's eyes and nose. Stared straight ahead and his tongue lolled from his jaws, and Tricky was just staring ahead and his tongue was hanging out from his mouth. So dear students, in this story we have come across that it is a story about a dog whose name is Tricky, and Tricky is loved very much by his mistress, Mrs. Pumphrey. Because of overfeeding, Tricky becomes hugely fat, and this causes a worry of Mr. James Herriot, the narrator, the veterinary surgeon, whose responsibility is to treat Tricky. When he saw Tricky, when Mrs. Pumphrey was taking Tricky on a walk, then Mr. James Herriot was passing through by his car, and he came across Tricky. He was very shocked to see Tricky's condition, Tricky's appearance, because he had become hugely fat. Mrs. Pumphrey hastened to explain. He was so listless, Mr. Heriot. He seemed to have no energy. I thought he must be suffering from malnutrition. So I have been giving him some little extras between meals to build him up. Some malt and cod liver oil and a bowl of Horlicks at night to make him sleep. Nothing much really. So Mrs. Pumphrey informed James Heriot that Tricky had become listless. It seems that he has no energy, and in order to build his health, as he was, according to her, he had become energyless. So that is why, to improve his health condition, she was giving him extras between the meals. She was giving him milkshake, cod liver oil, and bowl of Horlicks at night to make him sleep. And all these things were not much for Mrs. Pumphrey. And did you cut down the sweet things, as I told you? Further, James Heriot asked her whether she had cut down the sweet things, as he suggested earlier. Oh, I did for a bit, but it seemed to be so weak I had to relent. She informed Dr. Heriot that, yes, in the beginning she did it, but she had to give up. She had to change her mind when she saw that Tricky loved sweet things very much. So that is why she did not stop herself from giving all these sweet things to Tricky. So he does love cream cakes and chocolate, so I can't bear to refuse him. Further, she used to love her dog very much, so she could not refuse to give the dog the things which he wanted, the things which he loved, like cream cakes, chocolates, etc. I looked down again at the little dog. The narrator looked down again at the little dog, Tricky. That was the trouble. Tricky's only fault was greed, and he guessed that this was the trouble. Trouble was the overfeeding. And the Tricky's only fault was that he was greedy. He had never been known to refuse food, and Tricky had never been known to refuse food. He would tackle a meal at any hour of the day or night. So he could eat meal at any hour of the day, any time of the day or night. And I wondered about all the things Mrs. Pumphrey hadn't mentioned. And here the doctor, the veterinary surgeon, was surprised that Mrs. Pumphrey did not tell him all the things. He did not tell the narrator all about these things, that she was, how greedy Tricky was, how he could not refuse the food any time of the day or night. Are you giving him plenty of exercise? Further, the vet asked her whether she was giving the dog plenty of exercise. Well, he has a little walks with me, as you can see. Then she informed him that the dog could take a little walk, as the doctor could see, as she was taking the dog Tricky for exercise that time. But Hawking, the gardener, has been down with lumbago, so there has been no ring throwing lately. Further, she informed that the gardener Hawking was suffering with the muscular pain, so that is why no ring throwing game has been done for long. Okay. So when the doctor asked about the food of the dog, she informed how she could not control herself. She could not stop herself from giving the things which are harmful for Tricky. As far as exercise was concerned, so she was not taking the Tricky for exercise, and she also made an excuse that her gardener Hawking was suffering with muscular pain, so that is why no ring throwing game was done. So now, dear students, open the next page, turn to the next page. So before begin explanation of this page, let me write difficult words and their meanings. Okay. Severe. Severe means serious. Wrung means squeezed. Regime means prescribed course of exercise. Tottering means lost stability. Next word is tweed. Tweed means woolen. A tweed coat means woolen coat. So students, I hope you have written. You can also take the screenshot, or you can pause the video and write down. Now I am going to review it and write down some more difficult words and their meanings. Next word is drooping. Drooping means weak or tired. tired, sorry. Next word is hardness. Hardness means a set of straps, a set of straps by which straps and fittings by which an animal is tied, by which an animal is tied. Distraught. Distraught means, you know, extremely want, distraught, yes, extremely want, so I hope students you have written. If not, you can also take the screenshot. Now I am going to rub it. Bouts. Bouts means short periods. Short periods of intense activity. Short periods of intense activity. Swooned means faint, unconscious. Pine means suffer from physical or mental decline. Suffer from physical and mental or mental decline. Okay. So this is all about the hard words and their meanings from this page. So in order to complete the paragraph, let me write some more words and their meanings from the next page also. Roused, R-O-U-S-E-D. Roused means caused to stop sleeping. Caused to stop sleeping. Caused to stop sleeping. So dear students, take the screenshot or you can pause the video and write down. I am going to rub it. Sorry, I am going to rub it and write down more difficult words and their meanings. Despairing means distress or pain. Despairing, distress or pain. Pathetic means pitiful. Pathetic means pitiful. Gasping means breathing hardly. Gasping means breathing hardly. Okay, dear students, so it's all about hard words and their meanings from this page, and explanation will be done in your next class. In my next video I'll explain, then I will write down more hard words and their meaning. So I hope you have written down all the hard words and all the difficult words and their meanings. If not, you can pause the video and write down, and you can also take the screenshot. So thank you students for watching the video. See you tomorrow.